Aye.
Watch what happens when you try to drive a Tesla Model S Plaid under 7 feet of water. I mean, it's not going to be good, obviously.
Well, we would be trying that. Wink, wink.
Look straight into this. All right.
But
Ooh, look at this. Off-roading in a, what is that, a GT2? That's insane. Don't do that. GT2 RS.
So yeah, he
Why is he doing this?
there's a YouTube channel about a guy who's dedicated in water traversing with a Tesla. So what he wants to do is go through that ditch that we saw previously and fill it up with water and actually go through driving a car through it.
Good Lord.
And hopefully it will survive. Mainly the Tesla. He's really interested in the Tesla.
Why does he want these cars in water? Is there more to the story here?
No. I guess for Tesla, he wants to show off the capabilities of enclosure in the Tesla.
Does he sell this product? Is that why? Like his thing is to make your vehicle more water capable?
oh,
I
you're
don't
saying
think
he's making
so.
mods
I think
to
he
it?
just wants to test it. So he added weights in the Tesla, and you can kind of see it's floating. He wanted to actually drive down, like have the Tesla weighed down so he can drive underneath.
Instead, it's sort of swimming almost.
Yes. So this is obviously a work in progress for him.
It's like it's almost like a Tesla boat right now.
As you can see, he's panicking because there's water that's actually going into the car, and it's obviously not working. But he somehow manages to get across the ditch.
Wow.
It's just so chaotic.
It's very chaotic, and obviously I'm missing many pieces of the story here, but if this is, I mean, that's captivating stuff.
Yeah, I mean, he's just trying to, show off Tesla's capabilities.
Well, I mean, he obviously heavily modded this particular car.
So it breaks.
No, Will's saying he didn't mod it, right? Like he just added weights to it.
Yeah.
There's
He
no
just added
modifications.
literal weights.
He did not mod it at all?
No. He just wanted to weigh it down. This is his first test, and there's obviously room for improvement. But in the resolution, he is able to drive it out. There are some software problems due to water damage. But he's able to at least drive it and not have it just completely destroy
Like
the
filled
Tesla.
up with water or whatever.
What is
right?
the title of this video? Driving my Tesla Model S Plaid underwater. Okay. Yeah, well. Man, YouTube it'll really mess you up in the sense that, like, my first question, why would you do that? And then Will's answer, he has a YouTube channel. Like that's the answer to so many chaotic things in 2021.
Well, shout out to the guy. His name is Chillin' with Chet. That's his channel.
Yeah,
Go check him out.
Definitely check it out. I mean, it's
But
interesting.
yeah,
The dumbest idea was that.
Yeah, obviously there's going to be some people upset about this, but
so obviously, the car filled up with water. I mean, you're driving through 7 feet of water. It's going to be filled with water. So he's talking about there's some modifications that he will do for the next test, but he's still doing it. He's going to traverse underwater with a Tesla.
what is his business? Is he a full-time YouTuber? Do you think? There's no Tesla hack. It's mostly Tesla related. Tesla YouTuber. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So good for him. I like his content.
I get it.
It's really compelling, especially when you see a Tesla underwater. You don't really expect it to be there.
No,
And yet it's there.
Yeah, they don't usually go underwater.
Yeah, well, I know. In order to get that kind of attention on a video, I mean, especially if the channel's starting out or it looks fairly small.
Well, I'm just trying to figure out the economics because if there's damage done to the car, you got 600,000 views. Like it's not really
no,
working out.
So maybe it's more of like a attention thing. Maybe you just want.
Just
Maybe he's got tons of money. Who
growing the
knows?
channel. Yeah, he may. He may. It may not be a big deal. He's building.
I mean,
his
he's in a
audience.
suit.
No, he's definitely. It's definitely making a statement
He's
of
a
some
character.
kind.
Yeah.
We're gonna see more for sure.
I'm going to investigate.
Okay, all right. Well,
Yeah, I don't hate it. It's kind of like back in the day. You remember Jackass? It's kind of like that. He's doing crazy stuff.
Sure.
And, you know, people watch it.
Maybe
so.
not quite as crazy.
Not like to the level of Jackass.
Yeah.